Welcome to another one of our Bluebeam Revu how-to tutorials, brought to you by BricsCAD Limited, where we show you how to maximize the potential of your investment in Bluebeam Revu. BricsCAD are the oldest established Bluebeam partner and your premium Bluebeam solutions provider. Let's get started. In this video, we are going to show you how to add actions to markups. You can add a variety of actions to any markup, such as making a markup jump to another page within a document, link to another document, open a website, or other operations. Right-click on the markup you want to add an action, to then select Edit Action. A new dialog box called Actions opens. Here you can select the options for when a markup is clicked. For example, in the Jump to option, you can select Page, Place, or Space, and then select options from the respective drop-down menu. Or, you can have the markup linked to a specific snapshot view that you can define. Select Get Rectangle. The Action dialog box hides automatically, and your open document is now visible. Draw a rectangular over the area you want to link to, snapshot view, and Revu automatically saves that to the action, when that markup is clicked. Or, select Hyperlink, if you want the markup to link to a desired URL, which would open within Revu when the markup is clicked. Just enter the URL into the text box next to Hyperlink selection. If you need a markup to open a file, select Open. Click on the drop-down menu and make your choice. Select the desired document and click Open. Click OK. Thank you for watching. We hope you found the video useful. You can visit our website, www.bricscad.com, for more videos in the How-To series and all things Bluebeam Revu. We at BricsCAD welcome your feedback to help us to improve.